Throw it.
No, we're all right. He's gonna get this one. I know he can do it.
Blake's on a fish.
I didn't hear no fish.
Hey,
I
sorry.
heard something like, fast water, so just remember when I go to the net with that rod on. Eat him up, get him out. Rod down a little bit. Side before you don't drop the rod when you reel it. Back up, back up. Back. Step back. Don't go to the back. Reel. Lift. Drop. Don't drop the rod. Keep lifting. There you go. Keep lifting. Lift.
You gotta reel him up some more.
Reel back up.
Reel him up back to the thing.
Off the side. Off the side. Don't back up. Don't back up. Right. Lift. 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 Oh, my bad. Reel.
Reel him back up.
Lift.
There we go. Fish in the net.
Good job in the fast water. And they need it.
It's a nice silver.
You see your boundaries? That's about where you need to be in order to keep pulling up to where I can reach this long net even still to get it.